Hey, I'm Seth from Infotainment.com here with this week's infotainment and automobile industry update for the week of March 16th. Chevrolet released pre-production details about its third best-selling nameplate, the 2021 Traverse. The company describes changes to the Traverse as a refresh. In the auto industry, that means no big changes to be expected. The 2021 version of the SUV comes with a few exterior modifications, including a redesigned grille, LED head and tail lamps, and 4 new wheel designs. On the inside, there are new seating options, a new 2-panel sunroof, an upgraded infotainment system, including an 8-inch screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The biggest and possibly best upgrades could be the new safety features available across all the Traverse trim packages. These include automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, lane assist, forward collision alert, auto high beams, and a following distance indicator. The company has said sales to the public will begin in late 2020. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration issued a recall for all 18 to 20 Wranglers and Gladiators with manual transmissions. The agency reported that the clutch pressure plate in these vehicles may overheat due to friction, causing the potential for transmission damage and even fire. After review of findings by both FCA and NHTSA, FCA US decided to voluntarily issue the recalls. While the recall exists, it's not clear exactly what consumers can expect if they take their Wrangler or Gladiator in for service. While the company will repair any existing damage and check for potential hazards, there's no existing commitment to replace the current clutch pressure plates at this time. On a more positive note, FCA India announced that the Jeep Wrangler Rubicons sold out in about 2 weeks. The tough off-roading brother to the Wrangler has found big success in India. This follows Chevy's success with the 2020 mid-engine Corvette sales in Japan, where the car reportedly sold out in a matter of hours. This is all part of a trend by American automakers looking to maintain or build alternative markets in other industrial nations. This serves as part of a bigger strategy to secure market share as many of these companies begin to introduce larger numbers of electric vehicles in foreign markets. That's our update for this week. To keep up with all the news and updates in the vehicle and infotainment industry, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at Infotainment.com. And be sure to check out our website. See you next week.